Alright, we are here at Irving Place, building number 8, here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And look what we got here. That's right, we have got another Lancaster elevator. And this one's got a 2-speed door. It does feature a nice cowbell too. Alright, let's take it up to 3. You're on 3. Right down to 1. Kind of looks the same over at building number 7, except this one is a hospital-sized elevator. The other has a center opening door. Here's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2007, just like the one over at building 7 in the Cork Factory Hotel. 4,000 pound capacity, and these are your GAL fixtures, GAL Jetplus. Lancaster elevator. And here we're back at 1. We'll take it for a ride at 3. I also told him to stand in the back of the cab. Alright, here we go. And here are back at 3. Sorry, it's so hard to see at the indicator because of the bright lights in this elevator. Anyways, while we're up here, we'll get a quick look. Got a hallway. Behind that door. Not gonna open it, but it's hard to see. But behind that door is the man-powered elevator. There's a fire alarm pole station. It looks like the 3rd floor is reserved for apartments, so I'm not going to snoop around up here. Alright, let's go back down the elevator. Again, nice cowbell. Alright, we're at 1. The post button works. This time we'll watch the buttons go out. I'll zoom in on this, and it's hard to see with the bright lights. And you're at 1. This thing kind of creaks a lot too. Despite the creaking, this thing has still a pretty nice elevator. There goes the elevator. Before we end, I'm going to show you something right here. And also we got a wheelchair lift. I don't think it works. And it looks like it's not working. So I guess that will be it.